Hi there. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you took paint markers and alcohol markers and tried to combine them together on a piece of canvas? Well, if you're thinking just as much as my thinking, then stay tuned and let's see this together. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to an amazing episode. This is the new Valkeriarts. For those of you who are new, welcome. This is now what we've got going on. I have the panels in the background. They're unfinished, but I know that you guys have seen in a photo on my Instagram. I'll have a link in the description. But yes, I've actually had this finished. This is the first video before the wall is now fully finished. But way back a couple of months back, whenever I did that nice painting for the very first time of painting, and I did those kitty cats, I came across a product that also is kind of similar to Posca markers, but is completely in the cheap department. I'm gonna say it's in the cheap department, but it is by our favorite Walmart brand, Dellaroni, that has done acrylic paint markers. So I've been dying to want to do a review on this, for one, because I came across these and I had not seen one single review on these markers, and they give you the basic help. Anyways, main event, we're gonna take these paint markers, we're gonna put it on a piece of canvas. Yes, a dollar store canvas, I'm sorry. And then after that, I'm going to also toss in a few little odds and ends to it, like my personal favorite. Oh yes, my personal favorite, Prisma Premier pencil crayons. I love you guys so much. And then on top of all that, we are also going to see if these paint markers can go up against the famous Ohuhu alcohol fine tip markers. So without further ado, and by the way, I'm glad to be back. I am pleased to be back, and I've really missed you guys so much. But anyways, without further ado, let's get, well, I usually say let's get sketching, but it's technically a painting. So does that really consider it being more like let's get painting? In this video, I'm going to be working with canvas, and as you already know, whenever you think about canvases, you think about landscapes, waterfalls, beautiful scenery, and of course animals. So I figured to myself, you know what, why don't we actually just go ahead and do a small little leopard? So I decided, okay, that sounds good. So with the last small canvas that I had, I decided to go with a leopard. So this leopard's looking over its shoulder, kind of like, ooh, what's this? You know, it's got that aesthetic look, and I figured that pose was a very, very well dynamic look.
Doing things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know.
Refine motor skills and just refining all of the textures just before I go ahead and start applying using the first layer of paint. So woohoo! And so far it's looking really good. I'm enjoying the comfort of just sitting at my own studio desk and just working on a drawing. I mean, it's been a long time since I've worked on one, so this feels really good to get back into it. the acrylic paint markers. As you can see, this is the color black, and just by looking at the barrel, I believe the barrel is very well put together. It's very slick, fits comfortably in my hand. The nib looks fantastic. It's very well pliable, and it looks like it can hold a lot of paint. So the only thing that's the downfall part is the fact that whenever you put the marker down on the table, it tends to roll a lot. So I really wish that maybe that they would have put a bigger piece on here to make it so it doesn't roll. And here I am priming the paint marker. It looks really well put together again, and the amount of paint that comes out, it only took like 3 or 4 pumps before it actually started drawing paint. And as you can see on the ground there, it is actually, God, look at the amount of pigment this yellow marker puts down on that canvas. Wow, oh my god, I was not expecting this. I actually, to be honest, I came in with low expectations, knowing that, you know, some Walmart brands can be a hit or miss, but Dalarani, you have blown my mind and kicked me out of the water yet again with your products. Wow, oh my god. Like, I literally was sitting here thinking, okay, I don't even know if this was even going to work, but wow, the amount of pigment that comes out on that marker and the paint marker is phenomenal. The application is just stunning. Like, you can actually see the quality in this paint as it applies on the canvas. So kudos to you. Use now it's actually time to see if you can use the Ohuhu alcohol markers on top of this paint marker. What? Oh my god, this application goes really well together. I am mind blown. What is this? Wow, I actually literally thought that the alcohol was going to go into this paint and just dissolve it or push it away, but no, it traps it, it holds it, it brings it out even more. What? Oh my goodness, this is the best ever. I have now loved these. If you are looking for a better way of using acrylic paint markers and you don't have the money for your local Walmart and actually get yourself these acrylic paint markers, these are amazing, and you get a variety of colors as you can see with the package. But oh my god, you can literally combine 2 different colors together, alcohol and paint together. It's like, oh.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. Time and so, hour. Yeah, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really saving, I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it. Cause I got my mind on some bigger things. So man, I ain't gonna give in now, I just gotta live this now. I be gonna be when I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring. When I'm knocking it out, when I'm back with the wheel. Cause I am just up on the journey, you just know that I'm just going insane. I'm a monster, there's some things that I might see. And when I do, I could never get no sleep. Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you will go see. See my vision, I'll be in it, I'ma kill it, I'ma take it all. Coming in, I'ma play it now, I'ma kill him dog, I'ma play the ball. Cause I gotta go and get it, man, I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it, I'ma get it, I'ma grab it, man. Take it, never receive it, I'ma make it mine. I'm explosive like a mine, I've been working every time. Yeah, I do it on the grind, I'ma shine, yeah, every single day. I'ma kill this competition, cause I'm going so insane. Hey, I really go so insane. Yeah, I guess really ran through the pain, but I'm just back on my path and I fixed it now. It's really okay. So I ain't gonna waste my chance and just my time. So I'ma be a monster. I'ma kill him. This is mine. Yeah, yeah. I am ready to fire, I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve, I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder, yes I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
My Prisma Premier color pencils. It was a little difficult to actually show up on the canvas because the texture in the canvas is a rough, but I also didn't gesso it, so I'm pretty sure that also might be one of the factors as to why the color pencils didn't show up as well as I was expecting it, but they still actually help bring out the colors. It helps make it pop with the certain shadows. The more you look at it in different lights, the more you can actually tell that you have three different kinds of markers in it. You have your acrylic paints, you have your Ohuhu alcohol markers, and lastly you also have your pencil crayons. So, but this project was amazing. It really helped me open up my eyes, knowing that now there is more potential with painting and applying different mediums to help boost up your ness. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoy the rest of the video and the sick review at the end.
All the lights, spent an hour with my memories, and then I realize it's not all black and white, like I was colorblind but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tighter. Don't wear my PJs every day, cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it, just for a moment there I lost myself. Whenever it's a bad day, music is my band.
Fight for my attention, for your ascension.